everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make this Filipinos' famous soup, chicken tinola with mussels. Let's get started! Heat up the pot and add the vegetable oil and spread it around. Add the slices of ginger. Saute this for a while and add the slices of onion. Add the lemongrass and saute this for 20 seconds. Add the chicken. Then gently stir it to combine. Lower the heat and simmer this for 10 minutes to allow the natural juice of chicken to come out. It's 10 minutes. Let's check the chicken. Wow! Look at that natural juice that came out from the chicken. I'm going to add the rice water as a broth for my soup. This is optional, guys. You can use plain water if you want. And add 1 chicken bouillon. Then cover and bring this to a boil. The soup is boiling now. Look at that, guys. It smells delicious. Cover, lower the heat, and simmer this for 15 minutes. It's 15 minutes. Open it and add the green papaya. Cover and boil this for 5 minutes over medium heat. After 5 minutes, check out this beautiful papaya. Season this with salt and gently stir it. Add the bokchoy, or you can add any leafy veggies you like. And add the mussels. Just place it on top of the bokchoy. It's like you're steaming it. Nice. Make sure to scrub and wash the shell properly to get rid of this dirt sticking on it. Cover and bring this to a full boil for 4 minutes. Okay. Ta-da! Oh my god. So now turn off your heat. And this is cooked, guys. Look at that. Delicious. See you later. Hope you like this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!